stroking and slapping Timothy, another keeper found it. Who found it? Another keeper found it, and he was observing grandfather and Timothy with some alarm. He was terrified. He was horrified. He thought the keeper alarm. The keeper's alarm was that the old man was playing with stroking or slapping a very dangerous animal. So he was alarmed. The keeper was alarmed. Grandfather recognized him. Grandfather recognized the keeper. As the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. This was the keeper. Sorry, this is the keeper who was present when grandfather brought Timothy to the zoo. Right? Old keeper. This is the old keeper. Grandfather could recognize him. Understand? Got it? Word meaning? Suggested means what? Right. Frightening. Early. Wandering. Stroking. Slapping. Observing. Alarm. Recognized. Who recognized whom? Grandfather recognized the old keeper. You remember me? Could you remember me? Can you remember me? Who asked? Grandfather asked. Whom?
The keeper.
The keeper. Grandfather asked the keeper. Can you recognize me or could you recognize me? Could you recognize me? Now, why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage? Again, grandfather asked the old keeper. First he asked the new keeper. Again he asked to the old keeper. What did grandfather say? Why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage? Who asked it? Who said it? Grandfather. Whom?
The keeper.
The old keeper. Away from this stupid leopard. Right? But sir, who said? But sir, who said?
The keeper.
The keeper said, right. But sir stammered the keeper. Stammered means? Yeah, stammered the keeper. It is not your tiger. Who said it? The old keeper said, it is not your tiger. Who said it?
The keeper.
Whom?
Grandfather.
I know, said grandfather. What did grandfather say?
I know.
I know. Don't remind me. I know, said grandfather testily. I realize he is no longer mine. I know, he is no longer mine. Why are you talking like this? But you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. At least take some suggestion from me. I know. I have already given it to the zoo authority and it's no longer mine. But at least you take my suggestion, one or two suggestions. It would be better for you and the tiger. The leopard is disturbing him. That's why I said it. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. Keeper said, I remember your tiger very well. Who said it? The keeper said. Whom?
Grandfather.
What did the keeper say? I remember
your tiger very well.
I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. What did he say?
He died 2 months ago.
He died 2 months ago. Who died?
The Timothy.
Timothy died 2 months ago. Now you think what would have happened grandfather? Grandfather was not aware of the fact that Timothy had already died. When the old keeper said Timothy was died, you think what might have happened to grandfather? Huh? I think grandfather might be terrified, horrified. His heartbeat must be raising. Could you understand? So let's know what happened, what might have happened to grandfather when he came to know the fact. Right? Yes. Remember Vinci? Right, stupid.
Boka babudu.
Right, leopard.
Sitarago.
Stemmed.
Khone khone koriba.
No.
Janiba.
Realize. Mine.
Moro.
Died.
Morigala.
Exclaimed.
Bismayare kahile.
Exclaimed. Pneumonia. Right. Trapped.
Hosi jaitila.
Increasing.
Vishnu.
Release.
Trupti.
And the next one is withdraw.
Karniva.
Right. Okay? When the old keeper said he was died, grandfather was surprised. He was speechless. Just he said, died? What did you say? Died? Exclaimed grandfather. Who exclaimed?
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Yes, sir. Of pneumonia. Who said it? The gatekeeper said. Yes, sir. Timothy was died of pneumonia. You know pneumonia is a disease? The tiger was trapped in the hills only last month, and he is very dangerous. And the tiger now in the cage was brought to the zoo last month, and this tiger was very dangerous. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. He could not think what to say. He was speechless. Words did not come out of his mouth. Just he was wondering what to say, what to do. The tiger was still licking his arm. The tiger was still licking whose arm?
Grandfather.
Grandfather's arm. Who was licking? The tiger cub arm with the increasing release. The more the tiger licked grandfather's hand, the more release the tiger got. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hard hand from the cage. When he came to know that it was not Timothy, it was another tiger and very dangerous, he immediately withdrew his hand from the cage. With his face near the tiger, with his face near the tigers, he murmured. He took his face near the tiger and murmured, said in a low voice. Murmur means said in a low voice, good night. Who said good night? Grandfather said good night whom? The tiger in the cage. Good night Timothy. But actually it was not Timothy, it was another tiger. Still grandfather called him Timothy. And giving the keeper a scornful look, hateful look, and an angry look, giving an angry look to the keeper, walked briskly out of the zoo, left the zoo immediately. You understand? This is all about the story. A tiger in the house. We will have question answers. Right? Now let's move to question answer. Right? Question number 42. Right? Yes. Question number? Okay. Four. अरे ସିରିଏଲ ବହୁତ ପଢ଼େଇଲା ବେଳୁ ସେ ପାଠ ଆସି ନାହିଁ ଜ୍ଞାନୀ ସେଠି ସବୁ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ହେଇଗଲା ରେ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଇଏଟା କରିନଥିଲେ ଓକେ right? Question number 42. Yes. Okay. Whom could the question 42 is like this. Whom could not grandfather meet in the zoo?
The superintendent of the zoo.
Right. Grandfather could not meet the superintendent of the zoo in the zoo. How long had grandfather been stroking and slapping Timothy?
5 minutes.
Right. Grandfather had been stroking and slapping Timothy for 5 minutes. Now, why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage?
To the old keeper.
Whom did grandfather suggest this? To the old keeper or new keeper? Old keeper. When did Timothy die?
2 months ago.
Right, Timothy died 2 months ago. How did Timothy die? Timothy was died of pneumonia. Where was the new tiger trapped?
In the hill.
Right, the new tiger was trapped in the hill. When was the new tiger trapped?
The previous month.
Right, the new tiger was trapped in the previous month. How was the tiger licking grandfather's arm?
With increasing
Release. The tiger was licking grandfather's arm with increasing release. How did the grandfather walk out of the zoo?
briskly.
Yes, the grandfather walked out of the zoo briskly. So these were all about the questions and answers about the story A Tiger in the House. Okay? Finish? Thank you.
It's okay.